and bubbly tunes, swimming all day in the blue lagoons. We're the fish, hip, hip, hooray! Hooray! Hey! Remember to write F. Draw a line down, then two across. F, 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 F. Hooray for F! Look who came to see the show. Friends like you make my heart glow.
Glad you came to watch today.
Let's revise our letters. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for cat. A is for apple, B is for banana, and C is for cat. D is for duck, E is for elephant, and F is for fish. I am a fish. D is for duck, E is for elephant, and F is for fish. I am a fish. E is for elephant. E, E, E. Elephant, elephant, E. Fish. Hey, hey, I am a fish. Now go find your siblings, every single one. When you find them all, come back to see me and play with me.
Goodbye, fish. We are going to see our siblings now.